Lost your precious WhatsApp chats and media? Don't panic. This video will walk you through restoring your WhatsApp backup from Google Drive, step by step, ensuring you get everything back safely. First, make sure WhatsApp is installed on your device. If it's not, download it from your App Store. After downloading, open WhatsApp. You'll be greeted with the welcome screen. Tap Agree and continue to proceed with the setup. Now, enter the phone number you used to create the backup you're trying to restore. This is crucial. Make sure it's the correct number, then tap Next. You will then get a verification code. Enter the 6-digit verification code that you received via SMS. This confirms that you are the owner of the phone number. WhatsApp will now search for backups linked to your Google account. If a backup is found, you'll see a screen asking if you want to restore your messages and media from Google Drive. Tap Restore. The restoration process will now begin. This might take some time, depending on the size of your backup and your internet connection speed. Let the process run uninterrupted. Once the restoration is complete, you'll be prompted to enter your profile name. Type in your name and tap Next. Congratulations! Your chats and media should now be restored. You can now see all your conversations and media files. Running into problems? Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, have a stable internet connection, and that your Google Drive has enough storage space. If problems persist, try restarting your device.